Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add Fingerprint to Google Wallet. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing here is we're actually going to be adding our wallet into our shortcut when we lock our screen. Now this will allow us to be able to add a fingerprint whenever we want to use Google Wallet. What that does is that whenever you need to use your Google Wallet to pay contactless, then you don't need to unlock your phone, go into Google Wallet, and then use NFC. All you need to do is to just use the shortcut, and then you should be able to use Google Wallet and unlocking it using a fingerprint. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to be adding that shortcut. So let's go ahead and lock our phone. Now, once that we have locked our phone, all we need to do is to hold onto this and then just go ahead and add a shortcut here on the bottom. So it can be either here or here. Just go ahead and choose one. So I'm going to be clicking on this, and then I'm going to go down until I can see a wallet right here. Now once that's done, all you need to do is click done on the top right, and then this should unlock our wallet. Now when we go ahead and swipe onto this, all we need to do is to use our password, our face, or even our fingerprint to be able to access our wallet right here. But how do you set the fingerprint version? Then all you need to do is you need to go into settings right here, and then we're going to go all the way down until we can see security and privacy right here. Now go ahead and click on lock screen, and then as you can see here, there is the fingerprints option. So go ahead and choose that, and then as you can see, what you can do is you can actually add your fingerprint right here. So I have one added to my right thumb. If you want to add another one, just go ahead and click plus and then register right here. And then all you need to do is to just go ahead and go through this checks right here. So you will require to go ahead and keep pressing onto this until this goes all the way to 100%. Try to use different angles if you wanted to. And there you go. It'll then ask if you want to add another. If you want to, go ahead and press add. If you don't, then just click on done right here. Now go ahead and lock your phone once again. Now go ahead and use your Google Wallet right here by swiping here. And then go ahead and use your fingerprint. And there you go. So now you can go ahead and tap this into whatever device that you need to be able to pay contactless. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.